So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video we will see SBI Clerical Prelims level model question paper. So we will see all 35 questions. So first 10 question is based upon simplification. First one, 8820 plus 1468 divided by 4 minus 20% of question mark is equal to 8227. First subtract 8227 from 8820. So this is how much? 593, right? 593 plus this is 4 3 is 12, 4 6 is 24, 4 so 368, 367, right? This is 367 is equal to question mark 20% of question mark is 1 by 5 of question mark, right? So this is how much? 960 into 5 is equal to question mark is equal to 4800. My answer is 4800, which is third option. Next one, square root of 1024 into 20 divided by 16 plus 14 square, right? This is nothing but 32 into 20 divided by 16 plus 196 is equal to question mark. 40 plus 196, what is the answer? 236. My answer is 236, which is second option. So I hope you are clear with second question. Now we will see third one. 1 by 3 of 570 plus 1 by 8 of 6464 minus square root of 81 is equal to question mark. So this is how much? 3 19s are, right? 3 19s are. And this is how much? 808. So 190 plus 808 minus 9 is equal to question mark. 190 minus 9 is 181. 181 plus 808 is 989. My answer is 989, which is third option. Next one, 25% of 3% of 200 minus 50% of 25% of 56 is equal to question mark. 25% of 200 is how much? 50% of 200 is how much? 100. 25% is how much? Half of 100, which is 50. 3% of 50 is how much? 1.5 or 50% of 3 minus 50% of 25% of 56. What is 25% of 56? 1 by 4 of 56 14. And what is 50% of 14? 7. So question mark is equal to minus 5.5. My answer is third option. So I hope you are clear with fourth one. Now we will see fifth one. 12.5% of 33.33% of 576 plus 60% of 125% of 256 is equal to question mark cube. 12.5%, what is fraction value? 1 by 8 of 1 by 3, because 33.33% is 1 by 3 of 576 plus 60% is 3 by 5 fraction value. 125% is 5 by 4 into 256 is equal to question mark cube. 24 times, because 24 square is 576, 5 and 5 is cancelled, and 4 6 are 24, 4s are, so this is 24 plus 192 is equal to question mark cube. This is 216 is equal to question mark cube. What is the value of question mark? 6. Cube root of 216 is 6. My answer is third option. Next one, 3 into 5 by 9 of 36 divided by 4 into 6 minus question mark plus 5 is equal to 4. This is how much? 15 by 9 of, this is how much? 9 into 6 plus 5 minus 4 is equal to question mark. 9 and will go. What is 15 into 6? 90. 90 plus 1. What is the answer? 91. My answer is second option, 91. I hope you are clear with sixth one. Now we will see seventh one. 1296 whole power 1 by 4 into 36 whole power half divided by 36 whole power minus 5 by 4 is equal to 6 power question mark divided by 36. This is 36 square, but power is there, and this is 6 power question mark. So convert everything in terms of 6 power. So 36 square is nothing but 6 power 4. 6 power 4 into power 1 by 4. So this will be 6 into 6 square. So this will be 6 divided by 6 square. So 6 power minus 10 by 4 is 6 power minus 2.5 is equal to 6 for question mark divided by this is 6 square. Multiplication means we have to add, so 1 plus 1 minus of minus 2.5 is plus 2.5 is equal to question mark minus 2. 2 plus 2 4.5 plus 2 6.5. My answer is 6.5, which is first option. Next one, 2 power 12 into 64 whole divided by 256 is equal to 2 power question mark into 96 whole divided by 192. This is 2 power 12 into 64 divided by 256 is equal to 2 power question mark into 96 divided by 192. This is 2 times. This is 4 times. This is 2 times. So 2 power 12 divided by 2 is 2 power 11 is equal to 2 power question mark. So question mark is equal to, right, 11. My answer is nothing but first option. So I hope you are clear with 8th one. Now last two questions we will see from approximation. 19.99% of 249.99 plus 34.99% of 299.97. This is 20% of 250. This is 35% of 300 is equal to question mark. 20% of 250 is nothing but 50. 35% of 300 is nothing but 105 is equal to question mark. What is the value of question mark? 155. My answer is first option. Next one, 99.98 into square root of 360.74 divided by square root of 3.97 is equal to question mark. This is 100. This is 361. Square root of 361 is 19. Square root of 4 is 2 is equal to question mark. What is the value of question mark? 50 into 19, 950. My answer is 950, which is second option. So I hope you are clear with simplification. Now we will see 5 wrong number series. So first one, 4, 16, 5, 625, 6, 1296, 7, 16807. Right? This is 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Alternate series it's correct. Here this is 4 square. Right? This is 5 power 4. This is 6 power 4. This is 7 power 5. 4 should not come 2 times. So problem is because here 2, here 4, here 5 is there. Here it should be 3. So 5 cube should come. My wrong number is 625. Next one, 256, 252, 240, 228, 192, 156, 112. Difference is how much here? Minus 4. Difference is how much here? Minus 12. Difference is how much here? Again minus 12. Difference is how much here? Minus 36. Here how much difference is there? Minus 36. Here how much difference is there? Minus 44. So we are not getting anything here. But if you see this one, this is 4 into 1. This is 4 into 3. This, if you see, 4 into 11. This is 4 into 9. This should be 4 into 7. Because 1, 3, 5, 7. So this should be 4 into 5. What is 4 into 5? 20. If you subtract 240 minus 20, it should be 220. Again cross verify. So here it should be 28. So 220 minus 192 is 28. That means here problem is there. That means here it is 1357. Here it should be 28. Difference should be 28. So my wrong number is 228. So I hope you are clear with previous wrong number series question. Now we will see next 3 questions. 15, 8, 9, 15, 32, 92.5, 250.5. This is half. So 0.5 plus 0.5. This is correct only. This is into 1 plus 1. This is into 1.5 plus 1.5. This is also correct. This is into 2 plus 2. This is also correct. This is into 2.5 plus 2.5. What is 32 into 2.5? 80. 80 plus 2.5 is 82.5. So So my wrong number is 92.5. Next one, 3, 14, 47, 146, 453, 1334, 4007. Here how much gap is there? Plus 11. Here how much gap is there? Plus 33. Here how much gap is there? Plus 99. So we can identify the pattern. 11 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. What is 99 into 3? 297. When you add 297, it should be 443. Right? Next one. 5, 8, 16, 26, 50, 98, 194. This is, all numbers are multiple of nearest 2 times. So this is into 2 minus 2. This is also 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 into 2 minus 2. But here it is not there. Right? Here it is not there. If problem is here, means problem is in the middle only, not here, right? Because from here to here you don't have any problem. Right? Here also problem, that means problem is in the middle. That means what is 8 into 2 minus 2? 14. So my wrong number is 16. So I hope you clear with 5 wrong numbers. Now we will see next 5 quadratic equation. First one, x square plus 12x plus 36 is equal to 0, y square plus 15y plus 56 is equal to 0. So here roots are plus plus, so this is minus minus. Here also it is minus minus. So when you multiply you should get 36, when you add you should get 12, so 6 6. This is 6 6. And here it is 56, when you multiply, when you add 15, so 8 and 7. Right? Then we have to compare x greater, x greater, x greater, x greater. So my answer is x greater than y. Next one, x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0, y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. So here it should be minus 12, when you multiply, when you add it should be minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 4 3, right? Minus 4 3, or I can say 4 and minus 3. This is minus 2 and minus 2. Compare x greater, y greater. So my answer is C and D. My answer is C and D. Next one, x minus square root of 120 is equal to 0, y square minus 120 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 11. When you take minus square root of 121 into RHS, it will become square root of 121, which is 11. Y square is equal to 121, so y is equal to 11 comma minus 11. Compare x greater than or equal to y. My answer is x greater than or equal to y. So I hope you are clear with the 18th one. Now we will see 19th one. 2x square minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. 2y square minus y minus 21 is equal to 0. So when you observe here, both the constant values are negative. Whenever both the constant values are negative, what is the answer? C and D. My answer is C and D. Next one, 2x square plus 9x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 17y plus 36 is equal to 0. So here it should be 18 and here it is 9. So my roots will be minus 6, minus 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. This is minus 3, this is minus 1.5. Right? What about here? 72 and this is 70. So final answer is minus 9 minus 8 divided by 2 divided by 2. Anyway, by 2 is there both the side, it won't create any impact. Minus 4.5 minus 4. Compare x greater, x greater, x greater, x greater. So what is the answer? X greater than y. My answer is x greater than y. So I hope you are clear with quadratic equation. Now we will see one set of DI. So here what they have given you, the table shows the percentage of total number of voters and total number of percentage of total number of voters and percentage of female voters they have given you. You have 6 different cities. You have Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad, right? And here they have given you percentage of total voters. Here they have given you percentage of female voters. From this we can calculate the percentage of male voter. First one, The number of male voters in Kolkata is approximately what percent of number of male voters in Mumbai? So Kolkata, what is the value? 18%, and if female is 12%, then what about male? 100 minus 12, 88%. So 80 into 88 divided by male voters in Mumbai. Mumbai, what is the value? 22 into 100 minus 16. 84 into 100. Right? 22 4 times, 4 41 times, 3 6 are 3 7s are 1 by 7 is 14.28 into 6, more than 85. So what is the answer directly? Approximately 86% is the answer. So I hope you are clear with 21. Now we see 22. Find the respective ratio of number of male voters in Chennai to number of female voters in Hyderabad. Male voters in Chennai, so 12 into female is 25, so male will be 100 minus 25, 75. And female voters in Hyderabad, what is the value? 14 into 22. Right, so we can cancel this number. 2 6 are 2 7s are 2 3s are 2 11s are 75 into 3 is 225 and 7 into 11 is 77. My answer is 225 is to 77. So I hope you are clear with 22. Now we see 23. Female voters in Chennai is approximately what percent less than number of male voters in Bangalore? Female voters in Chennai. Chennai is 12 is to 25. Male voters in Bangalore. Bangalore, what is the value? 14 into female is 11. So male is 100 minus 11. 89. 2 6 are 2 7s are. This is 150 and this is 9 7s are 63. 6 8 7s are 56 plus 6 622. This is approximately how many times? 4 times, right? 4 times. What they are saying? What percent less? Okay, so how much it is less? Now you observe here. This is 150, this is 623, this is 1 by 4 times because 150 into 4 is 600. Remaining is 3 by 4 times 3 by 4. What is percentage value? 75%. But this number is more than 600, so my answer is approximately 76%. Mind calculation. So I hope you are clear with 23. Now we will see 24th one. Female voters in Kolkata is approximately what percent of total number of voters in Hyderabad? Female voters in Kolkata, what is the value? 18 is to 12 is to total number of voters in Hyderabad. Hyderabad, what is the value? Total vote is 14. 2 6 are 2 7s are. So 108 by 7. My answer is approximately 7 15s are 105, 7 4s are. So 15%. My answer is 15%. So I hope you are clear with 24th. Now we'll see 25th one. Find the ratio of male voters in Mumbai to the female voters in Hyderabad. Male voters in Mumbai, what is the value? 22 into 100 minus 16 is 84. Female voters in Hyderabad, 14 into directly 22. Right? So 22 and 22 is gone. 14 6 are. That is my answer. 6 is 2. So I hope you are clear with DI. Now we will see arithmetic question, right? First one, the product of 8% of a positive number and 24% of same number is 768. Find the value of 1.2% of same number. So 8% of 24% of same number, that means 8% of x, 24% of x. So here it will be by 100, here it will be by 100. Find the value is equal to how much they have given you? 768, right? This is 192. 192, how many times it will go? 4 times. So x square is equal to how much? 40,000. So x will be how much? 200. Now they are saying that find the value of 1.2% of, say, what is 1.2% of 200? 2.4. My answer is 2.4, which is second option. So I hope you are clear with previous question. Now we'll see 27th one. What is the average of first 40 number in an arithmetic progression having common difference of 3 and first term of the series is 12? Arithmetic progression, right? What is the formula of arithmetic progression? Sum of n term of series a plus n minus 1 into t, right? A plus n minus 1 into t, where a is the first term. A, what they have given you? 3. How many number of terms are there? 40. 40 minus 1, 39. And common difference, what they have given you? So A, they have given you 12. First term they have given you 12. This is 39 into common difference is 3. So 12 plus 117, this is 129. This is the last term of the series. First term, what they have given you? 12. Last term 129, and average they are asking first term by last term divided by 2. This is how much? 141 by 2. My answer is 70.5, which is second option. So I hope you clear with 27. Now we'll see 28th one. A shopkeeper earns a profit of 25% on selling a book at 15% discount on MRP. Find the ratio of MRP and cost price of the book. Right? Cost price of the book. So you know one formula. Mark price divided by cost price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 minus discount percentage. That's very important formula. So mark price by gross price is equal to, what is profit percent? They have given you 25. So 100 plus 25 is 125. What is the discount? They have given you 15%. 100 minus 15%, 18%. 5 17s are 5 25s are. So my answer is 25 is to 17, which is third option. So I hope you are clear with 28. Now we'll see 29th one. Two trains traveling in same direction at 40 km per hour and 22 km per hour completely pass one another in 1 minute. If length of first train is 125 meter, find the length of second train. Whenever two trains are traveling in same direction, what will be the relative speed? Difference of speed 40 minus 22, 18 into 5 by 18. Why 5 by 18? Because speed is in kilometer per hour but distance is in meter. So we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So we have to multiply the answer by 5 by 18. Is equal to length of first train is how much? 125 plus length of second train, and what is the time? 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. Right? So 18 will go. 16 5s are 300 is equal to 125 plus length. Length is equal to 175 meter. My answer is third option. So I hope you clear with 29. Now we'll see 30. A student has to get 35% of maximum marks to pass an examination. Shyam got 90 marks and failed by 15 marks. Find the maximum mark. Shyam got 90 marks. That means if he need extra 15 marks, he would have passed the examination. That means 35 part is how much? 90 plus 15. Because if he get 15 marks extra, he would have passed the examination. So 35 part is 105. Maximum mark is 100. So 100 part is how much? 300. My answer is fourth option. So I hope you are clear with question number 30. Now we'll see 31. At what rate percent per annum simple interest will a sum of money become 9 by 5th of itself in 5 years? If I say principal, I am writing here, amount I am writing here. 9 by 5th, that means if principal is 5, amount will be 9. Then what about simple interest? 4. So SI is equal to T into R. Time is how much they have given you? 5 divided by 100. 5 into 5, 25 into 4, 100. So R is equal to 4 into 4, 16%. My answer is 16%, which is fourth option. So I hope you are clear with previous question. Now we'll see next one. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest with sum of money for 2 years at 6% per annum is rupees 27. Find the sum. So here I am writing simple interest. Here I am writing compound interest. 2 years at 6% per annum. Per annum is per year. Per year is 6%. For 2 years it is 12%. And what about 2 years CI for 6% per annum? X plus Y plus XY by 100. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 into 6 by 100 is 12 plus 36 by 100, so 12.36. How much difference is here? 0.36. And how much they have given you? 27 part. Sum is 100. So 100 part is how much? 9 3s are 0.04. Right? And this is how much? 2500. So my answer is 7500. 7500, which is third option. So I hope you are clear with previous question. Now we'll see next one. A solid solution of 45 liters contains 76% water. If 5 liters of water is added, find the percentage of salt in the resulting mixture. You have solution where you have salt and where you have water. Water is 76%, so salt will be 24%. Chain rule concept, initial quantity is 45 into 24. Now, what is the capacity of solution? In 45 liters, they have added 5 liters, so it has become 50. In that, they are asking salt. Right? So 5 tens are 5 nines are. What is 24 into 9? 216 is equal to 10 into salt. So when you divide this number, what is the answer? Salt is equal to 21.6, which is third option. So I hope you are clear with 33. Now we will see 34th one. Very good question. Two partners invested rupees 1250 and rupees 850 respectively in a business. Both the partners shared 60% of profit and distributed the rest 40% as the interest on their capital. If one partner received rupees 30 more than the other, find the total profit. Right? Very important question. You will see this question in a very trick manner. So first, investment ratio is what they have given you. 150 and 850. So 5 17s are 5 25s are, and time period is same. So profit ratio is exactly proportional to investment ratio. What is the profit here? 42. Both the partners shared 60% of profit and distributed the rest 40% as the interest on their capital. That means 40 part is nothing but this one, 42, right? So 100 part is total. So 22s are, 25s are, 221s are. So my total profit is 105. If one partner received rupees 30 more than other, here how much difference is there in the profit? 8. 8 part is how much? 30. So 105 part is how much? That's all, right? So 8 3s are 24, 8 7s are, 8 5s are. When you multiply 3.75 into 105, you will be getting 393.75, which is third option. So now we will see last question. The ratio between the ages of Ram and Shyam is 5:8 and the difference between their age after 5 years will be 12 years. Find the present age of Ram. Difference between the age difference between the two person or n number of person remains the same always after 1 year, after 2 years, even in the future also, right? So what they have given you? Now age difference of Ram and Shyam is how much they have given you? 5:8. So difference is how much? 3. And how much they have given you? 12. So one part is how much? 4. Now what they are asking? Present age of Ram. So 5 part is how much? 20 years. My answer is 20 years. So I hope you are clear with all these 35 questions which we have seen in this particular video. We have seen simplification, we have seen quadratic equation, we have seen round number series, we have seen one set of DI, and 10 arithmetic group questions level we have seen here. So do subscribe this TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos. And we have two apps. One is TP Chennai Official, one is TP Chennai. In TP Chennai Official, you will be getting all videos where you will be getting videos of reasoning, arithmetics, and English along with current affairs. And TP Chennai, you will be getting online mock test series, right? So which is in a very reasonable cost. So please share this video among your friends, and also in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. So prepare well. Thanks a lot.